thank you again for stopping by. I so appreciate it. In this one, it's going to be really, really quick because I'm just blown away. This has to do with a smart bulb. Okay, this is a smart bulb that I picked up, I kid you not, at Target around the beginning of the year, very, very close to, it was after Christmas, but I think it was right before New Year. So in that realm, and I was just shopping for other things, and this was literally by the checkout counter, okay, the checkout cash register area. And they had a sign that it was half off being the retail price on this was about $14 or $15, and it was half off for $7. I kid you not, an LED smart bulb for $7. Okay, now the last time I bought these LED smart bulbs, the ones that kind of turn different colors and you can manipulate them and turn them on and off and all of that, was for my son's bedroom. Now my son bought it himself. He put his money together and bought it himself, and that was $50. $50. So to go from $50 to $7 is like unheard of for me. So of course I bought two. I bought two for each of my lamps in my living room. Now I'm going to show you, around here somewhere. In fact, I'm going to move over a little bit so I have enough room to show you guys over here. I went ahead and I did a small video for you guys showing you how I am, and I'll probably put that over, nope, over here, yeah, over here. I'm going to show you guys how I manipulated the bulbs with my app. So the app will be probably running on this side, and then you'll see the video on this side as far as the bulbs and how they're changing at the same time. I had my husband, bear with me. He's not a professional photographer or videographer. This was straight from his iPhone. He just basically pointed his iPhone to the two lamps in our living room and registered and videoed as I was, pushing the various buttons on my app. The app to download is perfectly free. Let me tell you what the company name is. This is LED Smart Bulb, and I think the name of the company is GEMS. I'm not sure. It says GEMS trademark, so I'm thinking that's what it is. But it tells you exactly on the back of the box, how to download the app, how to install it. You do need Bluetooth, so you have to have Bluetooth to work this. This doesn't work on Wi-Fi, it works on Bluetooth. So you have to be within range and I guess in your house to run it. And it's a really easy setup, guys. Once you put the bulb in the in your lamp and you download the app, it kind of finds each other, and you can name your lamps. You can edit it on the app, and you can name it, like I named it living room. I think you'll see it. Living room bulb 1, living room bulb 2. You can name it, bedroom bulb, kitchen bulb, whatever you want to name it. And you can have as many as you want. I mean, the app will register. Here's like a picture of it, and you can see how many you can have. I mean, you can have it throughout your house as long as you remember what you named it. You can go ahead and push it so it turns on, turns off, turns different colors. We had a great time during football season changing it to the team colors. So my husband loves the Cowboys. You probably know that because I kind of have my cowboy water cup here, which I'm going to take a swig at. But he likes to put the cowboy blue colors on, so we would turn the lamp colors on blue while he was watching, the sports game. And, different colors for different moods. We had, for Valentine's, we had a nice pink color, pinkish red color on it for, any holidays coming up. I think for Christmas we had like one light was green and the other light was red. It was kind of cool. And then you can manipulate it, make it darker or lighter, make it more vibrant, and all of that. I mean, it's It's mind-blowing, honestly, for $7. And even if you have to pay full retail, which is a whole whopping like $14.99, to get LED smart bulbs. Again, these are available at Target. I am not sponsored in any way. I just thought this was a great, great device, and I have been testing it out, so I know it works. There's nothing bad I can say. The only, well, there's one little ding, and that is it seems to disconnect from your Bluetooth. Every once in a while, it'll say connection lost or something like that. And then you'll have to basically revoke the app, put the app back on and then turn the light back on, But that has rarely happened. Usually it's on for the duration of how long I want it to be on. But it does seem to have some sort of timeout mechanism. Maybe it's a setting. I'm not 100% sure about that, but that's the only ding that I found so far, is it might lose the the Bluetooth connection after a while. But it, like I said, I'm just reading it back here. It says companion app sets up timers, changes colors, energy efficient, lasts up to 18 years. So this bulb will last you 18 years supposedly. Bluetooth 4.1 connectivity. Connects to nearly any smartphone. Set the mood for any occasion simply by changing the colors. Save up to 4 favorite colors. That's true. You can preset 4 different colors, and then there's 4 little round discs, on the app. And you can preset those up so that you can just quickly, if you like certain colors and you're always going to go to those type of colors, you can just push that one, tap that one color, and boom, it'll go on there right away. Use your phone's speaker function to have the light change with sound. I haven't tested that yet, but can you imagine you can actually have it change to sound? I guess with music, maybe it'll change different colors. I don't know. I'm not that brilliant to set that up. I just did the basics. And then it has a shake function. It says use shake function to change your light to a completely random color. Haven't tried that yet, but I'm sure it works, and I'm sure the kiddies, if you set it up, kids will love to do something like that. It has sleep timers on it, so you can go ahead and set up a sleep timer so that it turns off after a certain amount of hours in case you fall asleep on it. It has a universal fitment standard E27 base, fits all of your light sockets, so that's good. And it's energy efficient. I mean, what is there not to like about this? This is just amazing, amazing. Again, not sponsored in any way. I just happened to trip upon it. And if you guys want to try out these type of LED smart bulbs, but you've been kind of holding off because of the prices involved, fear not now. Go to Target or go online to Target if they don't have it in your local Target. Maybe go online and go hunt for it, look for it, because this is absolutely well worth the price. You cannot go wrong, even with $14.99. You cannot go wrong, guys, okay? So that's all I wanted to say. I love you guys very much. Give this a thumbs up. Go ahead and share it with anyone that wants to know about these kind of bulbs. And I hope you're having a wonderful day out there. I hope you're having a blessed day and do some good to somebody else. And that's it. That's all I want to tell you. I love you guys. Bye. See you later.